All right, this video is going to walk you through how to create the shell to your portfolio of work. You'll notice up here that I'm at sites.google.com. You can also get to it if you go to the waffle and select sites right from here. Once there, you're going to create a brand new site. And you'll come up to the top here, and where it says your page title, you'll go ahead and put your full name. And then I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to type portfolio of work. And I think I'm going to center this. Feel free to play around with fonts, size, text, all of that. You can make that determination of how you want that to look. On the main page here, this is going to be your About Me page. So all I did on the right-hand side under the Insert menu is I just chose one of the layouts that's located on the right-hand side so that I can just come in here and put About Me. And then this is where I would write some stuff about myself. And eventually you'll come in here and you'll upload an image of yourself on that main page. On the top, you'll go ahead and just type in POW. That'll show up right there as well. If I go into the pages menu, I'm going to create several pages that will work as your shell for the full time that you're here at the high school. So the first one is artifacts. Then I'm going to create another one, senior project. I'm going to come down to the bottom here, make a third, call it resume. I'm going to go back to artifacts, and while that's selected, select the 3 dots here and choose add subpage. Freshman year. And you'll notice that it's been indented now. Select artifacts again up at the top, hit the 3 dots, make a second subpage, sophomore year. And do it one more time for junior year. Select artifacts, 3 dots, add subpage, junior year. All right. If for whatever reason, let's say you forgot to make it to be a subpage, you can in fact click on the year, click and hover over. Notice I'm dragging this, hovering it over, and now it'll be in a subpage, and then I can reorder these as needed. So you do have the ability to move your pages if you don't like the order that they're in. You're more than welcome to create more pages and subpages. Some of you might want a maybe athletics page or an other page, community service. Like you can create as many pages as you want. With this is the minimum shell that is needed. If you go to themes, this is where you can change your theme of your site. You can change the colors. You can even go in and truly customize your color of your site. In terms of publishing this shell now, what you'll end up doing is you'll come up to the purple publish button. It's important to note that while Google saves what you do, it's not actually available for others to see unless you always hit that publish button every time you add new content. So right here, we're going to change this to POW space, and then whatever your 99 number is, go ahead and type that in. You want to change this so that your site is available outside of the domain. So I'm going to go ahead. Let me bounce out of here. I'm going to click Manage. Links may vary, so I'm going to say Change and Publish Site. That's what I want to say public. Hit Done. And then I'm going to check off this box that says request public search engines not to display my site. So what that means is your website is available to anyone who has the link to it. It just won't be something that someone can search and stumble upon. going to hit publish. And once that's done, you'll now notice that there's a drop-down arrow. So now let's say I'm going to go into freshman year and I'm going to add some content to my freshman year. Under the Insert tab, I might select this layout. And I don't know, I might include my Wellness 1 project. And so here I would provide my info, right? I've added new content. So every time I add something new, I will in fact have to hit this purple publish button for others to see. And it will tell you this is what's in draft. This is what's currently published. So this will turn into this. So I'm going to hit publish, and then that update has been made. So if I click the down arrow, I go to view publish site. Again, what I see here is what others actually see as well. And I can bounce back and forth. I can also choose to look at this in different modes as well. So if I want to actually click preview instead, I can select preview and I can go between phone, tablet, and computer.